Hello, this is Derek Van Clive with the Boathouse here in Naples, Florida, here with Boathouse University, standing on a Sportsman 261 Heritage. Today in this series, we're going to go over some of the basic navigation of your screen so you can see some of the awesome options and what you have available on this Garmin 8612. As you see, we're starting here on the navigation screen. Now let's say we want to change to another function that you have within your Garmin. First things first, we're gonna hit that home button right at the bottom. In years past, this would have taken you back to a separate screen where you have the sidebar. Now it's got this nice low profile, so you still have visibility of what's going on in the background. And going across the bottom here, you've got your pinned, which is all gonna be your favorite screens that you use most commonly. Right after that is gonna be charts, which is gonna be your navigation, your fishing chart, 3D. If you have radar, the overlay, as well as any kind of Sirius XM weather that you can put on top of it. Going next, you have your radar screens, which is going to be the traditional style where it's black, which is the ink blotter behind it, or you also have your overlay or combos there. From there, you have all your different sonar screens that you can bring up, which is going to be the traditional, if you want to split your frequency, front view, side view, everything that is possible depending on your transducer and technology. And then from there, you have all your own custom combos that you can put together, which depending on the size of your screen, you can have up to 6 different inputs on one screen at one time. From there, we have our preset smart modes that are coming from Garmin, which are going to give you on cruising and navigation and a sonar. Docking is going to be similar, same with anchoring, but they have it all set up, so it kind of gives you a preset of what you want for when you're on the water. And then finally, the most commonly used are going to be within your vessel, which includes your Yamaha screen that you see on my starboard screen here, your active captain for all your updates, vessel screens, trips, and all the information that you could possibly have aboard your vessel. So again, this has been Derek Van Clive with the Boathouse here in Naples, Florida. You've got a great amount of information that you can get from these Garmin screens. Super versatile. You can set it up to your own preference in a very easy to use user interface. Thank you again for stopping by Boathouse University. We'll see you on the water.